Hi there everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how easy it is to download, install and get started with Visual Studio Code. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Okay, so first of all, what we need to do here is we need to press Windows button and now type EDGE, which is nothing but your browser. Okay, after we open browser, all we need to do here is we need to type download VS Code. Now go to this link. Also, I'm gonna provide this link directly in the description of this video. That will also take you to the same page. Now, based on your system, you can choose the package. If you are using an Apple computer, probably you're gonna go with this one. If you are using Ubuntu, then you may go with these platform. Since here I am using Windows 11, so I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, so let me simply click on it. And there we go. So here you can see the process of download has begun. Now after the software get downloaded, let's click here on open. Now make a right click and click on open. Now here accept terms and condition, click on next, install, and there we go. Meanwhile, VS Code is getting installed. Let me talk about our new channel NeGI Tech. NeGI Tech is all about helping you to find right tech at right price, so you never overpay or end up something that doesn't make sense for you. We do not just throw product recommendation at you, we focus on your need. And here in this channel, we talk about all latest PC, laptop, hardware and accessories. So if you are planning to buy a new PC or you are interested in knowing about these stuff, then I would suggest you to subscribe to NeGI Tech. And for your information, we already have published more than 100 videos and still we are far away from 1000 subscriber milestone. Please help us to achieve this. Channel link as usual I have provided in the description of this video. Now coming back to our installation, and here we can see we have successfully installed it. All we need to do is we need to click on finish. And this is how when you open a VS Code for the first time, this is how your VS Code look like. Now if we go here on the left hand side and click on extension, here what we can do is we can download the necessary extension. Okay, for example here I like this file tree generator, so I can install it. This will basically help me out in exporting folder tree of my project. In a similar way, let's say you want to work in Flutter environment, then probably in that case you would like to download this Flutter extension. In a similar way, let's say I want to work in HTML, then probably this live server can help us out. All you need to do is you need to simply click here on install and this plugin will get installed. Now let me again click here on Explorer. In order to set up new project, simply click on open folder and then decide where you would like to create new project. For example, here I am setting up a new folder. I'm gonna say HTML projects. Okay. Now let me click on OK and let's select this folder, and probably here I'm gonna say my first project. Okay, now let's save it and again select the folder and click OK. Now here you can see we are inside this folder. Simply we can click on new file and can start working on it. So for example, let me create index.html, and now I think we are ready to go. So just I have created this document, and probably inside body I also can say h1 welcome to Technoholic. Okay, and let's run it since we also have installed this live server. So let's click here on go live, and there we go. So here we can see our message which says welcome to Technoholic. So in this way guys, we can download, install and set up Visual Studio Code in Microsoft Windows. I hope guys you find this video helpful, informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Technoholic, as well as please subscribe to NeGI Tech if you are interested or planning to purchase new PC, laptop, hardware or accessories. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.